All disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. O Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, health over wealth. That's what I say. Your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Don't know. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. And with you, I would love to grow. You see me? Yes, man, big up all of my kings and queens on the platform, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, all of who interact. I don't know, all who interact, see me. Whole heap of love, see me, and respect. Saying? Yeah, man, I appreciate it. I don't know. I feel close to you, you know, like a family, you see me? Yeah, because sometimes I reason and I like respond to you and things. You see me, I say my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, big up on the jam self, man. Yeah, so today we are talking now. We are reason about music culture in Jamaica right now and where it's at. Zine, I'm a nobody to it, but I don't know, I still have to give my views. Well, I'm somebody. You see me? So I see Foota here in frustration and give him his point of view. Big up Foota Viral King. You know what I mean? Yeah, so straight. But you know the routine after the break?
Yes, man. You see it there, my Black Bongo. Who know me. I will go check it, yeah? Gambia, Senegal, me a go dede, you know, Lion Food Show. Big up all the man. Jamais la culture ne tombera jamais. Jamais la culture ne va tomber. Jamais la culture ne tombera jamais. Jamais la culture ne va tomber. Au niveau culturel, spirituel, au niveau matériel, l'Afrique a son potentiel. Big up all massive, yeah? Bless up. Big up, Lion Food TV show. You see? Black Bongos, yeah? One love, man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome back. You don't know. That's what I say. Yeah, man, big up. Bongo, you know, Black Bongo, you know, from out Ivory Coast, and I represent for the Lion Food channel, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You got the whole live Ivory Coast, Ivorian, you know what I mean? Yeah. So now, my viewers and subscribers, just finished, I come up at the 9 to 5, you know? And so I feel like for just touch a topic or two. I make me hear who know if I want to think, because, yeah, man, the music thing right now, and let me get this straight and clear, I'm not bashing no one, I'm not hating on no one. I'm just giving my opinion, my views, which I'm entitled to, you see me? Yeah, so, yeah, man, all of the artists, them, big up on yourself. The young artists, them will do them thing. The Skillibeng, the intense, you know what I mean, critical. Want to hold them youth, freedom is a must, you see me? I'm just sorry that you end up in that predicament. You know, freedom is a must, Latin, freedom is a must. You see me I say? Yeah, man, and to the other young artists, them, I hope that's coming through now. I hope Latin, you know what I mean, and critical be an eye opener for you. You can't trust nobody. Because the owner friend is set you up. People in the community will set you up because them soon are going to strive and bust through. Zine? Yeah, and then they want to elevate out of the garrison. So they try anything we setting up. Them know on around when I hang around man we do them thing and setting up. You know what I mean? I want a friend with the side and set you up. You see me? Yeah, man, I saw the thing said so. Words of advice. If you don't see this one, you can take it on board and think about it and think before you act. You see me? Yeah. So, critically right behind bars now, facing judgment, you know. But regarding the music thing right now, I say, Jano, something when I say I go on like in the music videos and all of them things, the Skillibeng, intense. I put ashtray in a girl mouth, the ash from the cigarette. There's nothing wrong with that because pregnant woman eat, when they're pregnant, some women eat dirt, some women eat ash from the cigarette, you know what I mean? Some women eat chalk, all different sort of stuff, you know? Yeah. But in the music videos, a different thing in my portray. You know what I mean? And for the younger generation, them right now, just things and time change and, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I really talk, man. You know? I say, Fantan Mojo, I get some bashing right now. Even though I say I'm doing thing, but there's two sides to it, you know, because as a Rasta man, it's surprising to enough people also his fans. If you see him come up to that just raw like that, on a sudden like that. And the girls X-rated and all the thing them are going. You know? But what I've noticed in that video, he wasn't really touching them up. He understood they rub or move around them, but he never really touched them up like on them bum or them thing there, you know? Yeah. Zine. Skillibeng have a video with girl and girl a kiss. And again, I have nothing against that because people have to live them life. You know what I mean? And I not go up against no one and them belief. Things and time change, you know? You see me, because I live in a world where I associate and I have friends, you know what I mean? Who are of different beliefs and them things, workmates. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, but everybody I pull stunt right now and I draw. Just forget the limelight. See, and that's not right. You know what I mean? Right now, the younger generation them have come through in the music. Them have no leader, no role model. See? And my viewers and subscribers don't want to tell me if I talk sense or rubbish. You know some people gonna feel like I'm a bad mind or, you know, me as an artist where I tried for a long time. I went very close in 2018. I thought was the year I'm gonna get my justification after 15 years, 16 years. But sabotaging and, you know, the PR me I work with go around the thing on, you know. Just felt like the person who was investing in me, the money gone to waste. You see me? But I saw you got life. I still have life. I will still can bounce back again. You see me? With better plan, with better action plan. You see me? Yeah, so them artists and all some of the young artists them now have no role model to teach them the business and them things. And they must feel like say, okay, I do a one art song, I'm relevant. I feel like I can do anything I want to do. Not for them now have a manager, them manage themselves. And them have them friend where I say, oh, I mean a management or a road manager when I have no business idea. And then they want to take no talk because they make too money and can buy a fat ride. You see me? Can buy 2 houses and them things then. Quick. Because we all know some money you can reach, your life can change out of the music. Enough people life will change. Enough people make the money get ahead of them and mash up them career before them even get to reach anywhere. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. So me say so now, boop, and me observe the thing and I say, Jaja, this the thing gone to everybody want us the limelight. Some of the Rasta man them now when the meds again them a pull stunt. You know? One of them a try a stunt just to get a limelight. What happened to when you're at, you know, just chop your music video and put it out. You have to come with stunt, some sort of stunt. I see one today on Instagram with a girl sit down in between him lap and say, like she pretend like she had name him off. You see me? I know one sexy lingerie. Then him say, oh, I drop a music video soon, but tell him what to think about this preview. Boy, I'm not fighting the man and I'm thinking, like, I'm going to do what I'm going to do. We get the limelight, you know, I forget the breakthrough. But some people go to the extent. Some people do something where belittle them character. You know? Acting pull off a stunt where there, but him never say nothing but him just say, I do the things them. But for you say that you know what going to come across people's mind. When me see it me first say, it's a stunt. Somebody just wait until me see other vloggers start running with it. You know, then I go say, boop, I run with it too. You know, but And the way I portray it, I say I do the things and when the girl them in the house, I do the things them and you know. And she have set camera set up and so by saying that, only one thing I can run in a people's mind and it's that, you know. Not perform thing. You know, it's me and some viewers and subscribers. So we see him try to justify it. I say him never say him a do that. Him just say I do the things. I mean, can mean anything. But the way him say it and how it portray, you know what I mean. He mentioned phone was set up in the house without he knowing, and he got caught on camera doing the stuff them. So that mean it a gonna be one thing in a people's mind. So big up IAT anyway. I mean, I'm not against the eye. I just try to justify the thing. You know what I mean? So, Mr. Skillibeng do our next song named Coke for the plane that crash. See the plane where Rocky Point there. And the man do a video named I sing about Coke and drugs and all them sitting there. I don't know music. See? But I tell you, so them music they sell. Because I read a couple of the comments and the people must say right now, where them going to Miami, them hear this. Skillibeng hot, talented artist. But I feel like him can use him talent and him craft for you know, steer it in a more positive and constructive way with the talent. It not you know just have to be about guns and you know bringing down, putting down women and all of them things, and yamming and sucking and all of them sitting there. You see me? That's my view. That's my view. My lion and my lioness. See? Yeah, man. So, I just give me a say, boy, the music need to fix up still. You know? Because everybody are trying a stunt right now. You see me? I say, I'm not trying a stunt for boss. See? And the PR I work with, him tell me, say, in the package of me pay him for quite a fair use of my money. And, you know, on stage was involved in it and entertainment report. And when I see time I catch up and, you know, thing I drag out, so I start ask questions. You know, investor was start ask questions, why them things don't come through yet and the date pass and all that stuff. He might look at me and tell me, say, Anthony Miller say, me have to pull off a stunt. No, me don't know if I lie, I tell her, big up Anthony Miller, me not trying or nothing. But that's what I was told by the PR, you see me? The one who say my king PR, you know? So I said to him, say, oh, I'm going to do that. I mean, in the songs I'm not trying to stunt for boss, so why you come tell me about a man and say me for draw a stunt? You got the money to deliver the platforms them, you know, and some of them are fruitful. You know, I turn up at night to fix and the same thing, embarrassment. You know what I mean? At the same time, Yannick was being interviewed on the same day. Me and White Shadow there, my road manager. Big embarrassment. I leave out of my job out of the school and turn up at UWE, University of the West Indies. This man I sent me for go to interview, I'm turning up, that wasn't arranged. You know? But I just assist him. You know what I mean? Yeah, but as I say, humble calf suck the most milk. You know? But the main point of this vlog, you know, is the music thing right now we need to fix up. And well it gone. It gone, because you them now listen, them younger generation, them now listen. Them do them thing and you know. Yeah, we only can raise our concern and hopefully it will fix up, you know. Yeah, man, but when I say real artists, they want the real music, you know. I need an opportunity in the business, you know what I mean? It's not just one way, not the negative narrative. You see me? I push just one way. You see me? A man do a good song, it nah be heard, it nah nothing. But make a man do some viral and some freakiness or something, you so quick them going viral. You see me? You so quick them going viral. So acting at a point, you know what I mean? And when I say yo, negative sell more than positive, that's why I'm doing thing. And I can't blame him neither, because I just want to prove a point, say everybody will run with negative thing. You see me? Yeah, so my viewers and subscribers, I know what they think in the comment section. They don't know reason. And big up each and every one. Big up Jamaica, the whole artists, everybody, you see me? A peace and love, we say, you see me? And hopefully, the young artists, them, the main advice, you just learn and don't walk in the said footsteps where some artists get themselves, you know. See? Like ending up behind bars or losing their life or, you know what I mean? being broke. Yeah, man, learn from someone's mistake and try to elevate yourself, because I love to see the young artists that come through all the damn thing. I wish me did that Jamaica. We do my music fully, because I know me damn boss, the real way, you see me? But I say you go. We have, you know, each man to the moon and every man have them time. You see me, I say? My viewers and subscribers, I want to love and respect, you know, I love you know, guidance and protection. Remember, stay positive in the mind, boost up on the immune system. Yeah, man. And don't become a victim, alright? Blessed love, I'm out.
That one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no difference by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching, thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.